Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add shipping address on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to DHgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and create one. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have, as you can see, the official DHgate website where we have the search bar. We have all of the categories here. Also, in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. We have your recently viewed, favorites, and the shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a shipping address on DHgate. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So guys, basically what you need to do is go and find an article, first of all, that you would like to go and buy or ship to your house. So basically what you need to do is click on the search bar, and here you need to find something that you would like to buy. For the sake of this video, I'll be clicking on jeans. Now, when you did that, just a second, we need to wait for it to load. Now you have to go and find something that you would like to buy. I'll click on these, for instance. Then when you're here, all you need to do is choose a size, color, and click on buy it now. When you click on buy it now, here you will have the option to put your shipping address. As you can see, for my country, there is free shipping for this article. So guys, that'll be everything for this channel, for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow our channel. That'll be, as I said guys, everything for this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.